This experience has like overall just like put me in an environment where I'm surrounded by other planetary scientists, which is not usually like the usual for me. So being here has allowed me to kind of find different areas and subjects within planetary science that I'm interested in, that have like also like given me the chance to kind of find what I actually enjoy, and that's like something that I've really gained from this experience is like understanding what my like niche in planetary science may be moving forward.
I was a little nervous coming into this internship, meeting 10 new people and working with them, but everyone has just been so welcoming, and I think we all work so well together. Even though we're working on our own projects, we're still all here for each other, and we're all in the same boat.
Getting to use a lot of instruments that I haven't before, like we have the SCM behind me. I use that pretty much every week. Or there's the microprobe in the Johnson Space Center. I wouldn't have had a chance to use those back home, especially not as independently as I could to here.
My mentors were Dr. Walter Kiefer and Dr. Matt Weller, and both of them really welcomed me from the beginning of the internship. They started out this summer and did an excellent job of giving me materials to read, and we would discuss them, and they would answer all of the questions that I had. They've also been really willing to help me work on applications that I've been working on. They've helped me brainstorm what kind of research I want to go into. They've given me advice and people to contact for different fields of research throughout the nation and globally as well.
So I got to work with a member of Jacobs at NASA Johnson Space Center. And I was able to learn a little bit about embedding samples in sulfur. And it was really interesting to see how the sulfur crystallized. And eventually people embed those sulfur crystals onto something else and take slices of that for electron microscopy. And it was very delicate work. And it was really cool just to see how the process went.
I was very shocked to get the acceptance. I really wasn't expecting it, actually. I had sort of applied because it'd been something that I'd heard about years ago and had heard that it was an incredible internship for planetary science. So I always knew that that would be the dream, to get the LPI internship. But I didn't really expect to get it, so I did the application on an off chance of might as well give it a go. So yeah, it was a big surprise, and I'd actually already made some summer plans which had to be rearranged. But yeah, it was really exciting and it's lived up to expectations.
I think it's important to obviously look for something that you want to do and like try to identify a project and an advisor that like kind of fits what you're like trying to do in terms of research. But I think also you should just like trust yourself and like have faith that like whatever happens, you're gonna get something out of this experience. This is like an amazing thing to be doing. And whether or not you do end up becoming a planetary scientist or not, you're still gonna be able to take a lot of like professional skills away from this program.